how to fix the issue where the Roblox website is not working on your computer. So whether you can't access Roblox or the website's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. So first thing you need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then you need to go and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. You then need to click on the drop down arrow and select All Time. Make sure browsing history is selected and also cookies and other site data, and then press delete data. Once you've done this, you can go and check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, go up to the address bar and type in roblox.com. Click on the icon next to the address bar and click on Site Settings. You then need to scroll down to Permissions and click on the Reset Permissions button. You can then click on Reset. Once you've done this, head back over to Roblox and go and click on this Reload button, and once again check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then click on the three vertical dots, click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security, click on Security. Make sure Standard Protection is turned on like this, and then you'll need to scroll down and use Secure DNS. Make sure this is turned on. Click on the drop down arrow and select Google Public DNS. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window, go and refresh Roblox and check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, it's likely due to this website being blocked on your computer. So to fix this, we can click on the three vertical dots, click on Extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type in VPN and press enter. You'll then need to click on this top website, which is a free VPN. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Now, once you've done that, you can go and click on this extensions bar and you'll see free VPN. Click on the pin icon and then you can go and click on the extension. You can then click on Continue and click on Start and click on Continue with free. You can then click on the cross icon in the top left hand side. Now go and turn on the VPN, and once it's connected, we can head back over to Roblox and go and refresh the page, and you should now be able to go and use the Roblox website.